Let's focus right now on the NDA. 208 viewers, 208 is their number. So with every hour that number going up, but the question that then comes up is who will be the chief minister? Focus for a moment on the numbers on your screens. The BJP is at 95, which makes them the single largest party. So it means that they can very much be in the fray in deciding who will be the chief minister. That it's not necessarily Nitish Kumar. For the longest time, there was no commitment even on that. But the BJP National General Secretary has confirmed that all of the NDA parties will sit together and decide the Bihar chief minister. So there's no outright declaration that it will be Nitish Kumar. They're saying we will sit down, we will discuss, and we will see what we can do. There is a possibility that the BJP will seek their pound of flesh here because of the fact that they've performed better than the JDU. 95-84 is the current breakup. So they may say, why not have a chief minister from the BJP? That is a possibility. Because at this point, the BJP is maintaining that the NDA allies, all of them will sit together and discuss who should be the Bihar chief minister. Listen in to what the BJP said.
इतनी सीटें आ गई हैं कि किसी को इसकी कल्पना नहीं थी और आपको लगता है कि एकदम से नीतीश जी ही मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है?
नीतीश जी बिल्कुल थे, हैं, रहेंगे। नीतीश जी ने काम करके लोगों को दिखाया है, इज ए क्रेडिबल फेस अभी के बिहार की पॉलिटिक्स। जो लोग इतने बड़े बड़े क्लेम कर रहे थे वो चार पांच सीट पर अपना जमानत भी बचा पाएंगे कि नहीं पाएंगे, वो भी अभी पक्का नहीं है।
प्रशांत किशोर के पॉलिटिक्स के लिए भी उनको एक नसीहत है, आपको ऐसा लगता है क्या?
ही इज इनसिग्निफिकेंट। बिहार की जनता ने जिस तरह का उनको राजनीतिक दुलत्ती मारा है, उससे तो उनको अपने ही सीख लेना चाहिए।
मागच्या वेळी सुद्धा भाजपच्या जागा जास्त होत्या, 75, जदयू 45 होत्या, पण मुख्यमंत्री आम्ही नितीशजींना केलं होतं आणि हा निर्णय केंद्राचं नेतृत्व पाची पक्षांचं मिळून करतात, तर ते योग्य वेळी याचा निर्णय नक्की घेतील.
Okay, so at this point, you're looking at the numbers, and let's just focus on that right now. 208 viewers, NDA has reached 208. What that means is that this is their best performance till date in Bihar. In 2010, they touched 206. They seem to be bettering that right now at 208. Clearly, the word of anti-incumbency doesn't exist in the NDA's dictionary as far as Bihar goes. You know, there were so many questions about whether the record voter turnout means pro-incumbency or anti-incumbency. The answer is very, very clear in the numbers on your screens. 208 for the NDA. There's a possibility of that going up or down, but as it stands right now, at this point, it means that this is the best ever tally for the NDA in Bihar. That they've bettered the 2010 tally, which was 206. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me live from the BJP headquarters in the national capital, where Prime Minister Modi, in just a few hours from now at 6 p.m., will be addressing the nation, particularly the BJP Karyakarta, over this massive mandate that they've managed to receive in Bihar. It's going to be, Aishwarya, a slightly muted celebration because of the Delhi terror attack, but a day, no doubt, for the BJP to celebrate.
Well, you know, Akshata, let me just show you what we are seeing here. The kind of slogans that... This is what you are seeing here, Akshata. They are all saying, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bihar ki jeet, Bhagwe ki jeet. These are the kind of posters that you are seeing out here. And just see, you know, what these people are actually holding. Now, this is a Trishul of the Hindu mythology. This is something that they are holding, and they are all saying that we now need to tide over the caste and now make sure that all the Hindus come together. This is the same place, Akshata, let me tell you. In the next 2 hours, we will see Prime Minister Narendra Modi also present here. He will be speaking with the people, and there will be grander celebrations in about 2 hours from now.
Okay, 2 hours from now is when Prime Minister Modi will be speaking. You can hear all of the chants around Aishwarya. It's a festive atmosphere, particularly in Patna, where I'll bring in Piyush Mishra, who's at the BJP headquarters. I hope Piyush can hear me because there's a whole lot of dhol and crackers in Patna. Piyush, you're at the BJP office?
Well, lot of crackers, lot of celebrations are going on there inside BJP headquarters. But right now, I am at the road where the RJD headquarters is also here. JDU office is also here, and here on this road, what I can see, Akshita, is that the JDU workers are now out on the street. They are going to BJP office. They are meeting with BJP Karyakartas, taking out march. And here you can see that how JDU leader Chotu Singh, he is carrying out this entire march celebrating Holi with the workers of JDU. And see, Chotu Singh is again now marching. This is the victory march which the JDU is now carrying out in these parts of Patna. And once again, they are now showing the victory sign, and that's how they are celebrating this entire victory of NDA. छोटू जी, इतनी बड़ी जीत कभी हुई है एनडीए की? इतनी बड़ी जीत कभी हुई है एनडीए की?
आज आजादी के बाद
जिंदाबाद।
जिस तरह से नीतीश कुमार जी ने बिहार में विकास किया, जिस सड़क पे आप तो बाहर से आए हैं, आपका स्वागत है। यहाँ सड़क नहीं था, चलने का गाड़ी नहीं था। आज मर्सिडीज, BMW, लैंड रोवर से लोग चल रहा है। लाइट, बिजली,
कौन किया ये?
सब नीतीश जी का विकास, जनता का ताकत। जनता ने नीतीश कुमार को चुना।
200 पार इस बार हो गए आप लोग।
तो हम लोग का नारा था 225 फिर से नीतीश, न्याय के साथ विकास।
नीतीश हो जाएंगे।
देखिए, जो घमंड लोग करते थे, कुछ लोग, उनका घमंड इस मोती चूर शुद्ध घी के लड्डू से हम लोग चूर कर दिए।
कौन लोग हैं वो?
आप भी जानते हैं, कोई भविष्यवाणी करते थे
जी।
कोई लोग कहते थे कि जेडीयू नजरे नहीं आएगा।
तो 18 को शपथ लेने वाले थे वो।
अब उनसे जाके आप पूछिए, बड़ी बड़ी बात आपके चैनल पे करते थे, आज गांजा पी के सोए हुए हैं। इनका ब्याज लीजिए, कहाँ गए वो लोग?
तो कब शपथ ग्रहण कब होगा? शपथ ग्रहण कब होगा?
ये तो सीएम तय करेंगे, एनडीए तय करेगी। ये तो अभी बात की बात है।
अभी तय नहीं हुआ है क्या?
नहीं, कब शपथ होगा? सीएम तो नीतीश जी हैं, थे, रहेंगे।
अच्छा, हैं, थे, रहेंगे। एंड वंस अगेन जेडीयू द reiterating, Akshita, that
very good position in Bihar.
okay, JDU is in very good position in Bihar.
Not effective.
Okay. JDU is in very good position in Bihar. That's what the JDU workers are now saying, and you can see as to how they are taking out this victory march, holding the photograph of Nitish Kumar in their hand. And this is the scene which we can witness in various parts of Patna, Akshita, where not only JDU but also BJP Karyakartas are completely charged up, because for the very first time, in the history of elections of Bihar, we are now seeing as to how one Gathbandhan is getting more than 200 seats. This is the state where we have seen flip-flops taking place, and Nitish Kumar was known for that. Remember that he has been going with RJD and then with BJP and then again with RJD, again with BJP. He was also called Paltu Chacha, but during the campaign we have seen as to how multiple times he himself came out in open and said that this time I am with BJP, I was with BJP and will always remain with BJP. And it seems like because of the unified campaign of NDA, now NDA is all set to form the government with land.
Just look at those numbers. Just look at those numbers on our screens. 207 at this point for the NDA. What that means is that they've still bettered the 2010 tally of 206 by just one seat. But I'll highlight that these are trends, so it's swinging a bit back and forth. There's a possibility of it moving below 206. There's a possibility of it going beyond 207. And I just want to contrast that with the Mahagathbandhan's performance. 29, which is already, of course, hugely hurtful. But adding to all of the injury is what we're showing on our screens of Tejaswi Yadav's performance right now in Raghopur, in what was considered to be the safest possible seat for Tejaswi Yadav. It was a no-brainer, essentially, that he would contest from the seat. Why? Lalu Yadav is contested from the seat. Rabdi Devi is contested from the seat. It's a family bastion. And yet, look at those numbers on your screens right now. About 3,000 votes difference, but it's BJP's Satish Kumar who's currently leading. I will highlight right now that the counting is still underway. So there is a possibility that Tejaswi Yadav will still manage to pull this off. But the fact that you're seeing right now a tight race in itself isn't good news for Tejaswi Yadav. In a safe seat, he's not managed to seal a decisive victory whatsoever. Satish Kumar is the BJP leader who's previously in 2010 also defeated Rabdi Devi. Can he repeat the show now? And after Rabdi Devi defeat her son, Tejaswi Yadav too? There will be questions about what really explains this kind of a number of 207 and 29 for the Mahagathbandhan. Pro-incumbency, if anything, you'd have thought anti-incumbency is a factor. Not at all. It somehow hurt the Mahagathbandhan. And let's get you all of the details of the celebrations that are underway right now and who will be the Chief Minister. Nitish Kumar, of course, there's a growing chorus for him within the JDU. There are other allies who are also speaking out. But look at the number on your screen, where the BJP is at 95. That's where it could lead to a bit of a surprise, a bit of a change as far as the Chief Minister goes. The BJP could just say, let someone from our party be the Chief Minister, considering we have the highest number, we're the single largest party. But within the NDA, while the BJP said everyone will come together and discuss, you've got Jitan Ram Manjhi, who's also, by the way, performed very, very well. His party has made it very clear that they are for Nitish Kumar as Chief Minister of Bihar. Posters have also emerged in Patna saying Nitish is the leader of Bihar, and that Nitish, with the tagline, Tiger Abhi Zinda Hai, that he will continue to be the leader of Bihar. That's another one that you see, Bihar Ka Matlab Nitish Kumar posters that have been put up in Patna. So already you can see all of this muscle flexing, you can see attempts of messaging being put forth by the JDU and some allies who continue to back Nitish Kumar as Chief Minister.